Here's how you put together your extra tall tub transfer bench. You're going to start with the bench part, and you should have received 4 sets of legs, or 4 legs that are extra long, plus the original legs that are short and have suction cups on them. We send them both to you because sometimes people need shorter legs on the inside and the extra tall legs on the outside. So you get to mix and match to make it the right height to meet your needs. And whatever legs you don't need, you can just discard. So you're gonna push the top little silver button, sometimes just cover with a little plastic piece, and put it into the leg piece there, and make sure it clicks. You don't have to wiggle it around so you get that little knob to click through that hole. You're going to repeat that for all 4 legs, and we recommend that you put all of the tall legs on first and then try that in the tub. I know it does not have the suction cups on all the feet, but we found that it works just as well because of the rubber tips inside the tub bench. Okay, once you've got them all attached to the bench, then you're going to need to change the height of each leg. So there's a bottom silver button that you're going to press and then turn the leg a little bit so that you can pull it up and then lock it in place. You can just take a guess at this. If you put that in the tub and find that you do need those shorter legs inside, you're going to squeeze and take off the leg, and then you're going to take the leg apart from its extra piece and put it into the suction cup or one of the shorter legs. Once you get it in there, now you can go to a shorter height than you could with the extra tall legs, and you just fasten it to the bench just like you did the other legs. So we're going to show that again. You're going to take off the extra tall leg if you need that shorter leg. You're going to separate those 2 pieces by pushing the lower button and pulling them apart. And now you're going to attach it to the shorter leg if you need it, and put it back onto the bench. This is for the occasion in which the inside of the tub is maybe elevated a little bit, but you have still a tall wall. Now, here's how you put the back on. You're going to attach the 2 long pieces, same kinds of silver tab buttons. You're going to push those twice and get them locked in. And you're going to do that on both sides. And once you've done that, you're going to take the back, slip it through the holes that are on the bottom of the bench. And you want to make sure that when you set it upright, the back of the bench is closest to the legs that are going to be inside the tub. So that way you can have a backrest closer to the inside and not to the outside. If you got it wrong, that's okay. Just pull it out, flip it on the other side of the bench, and then you'll have it reversed. So on this side, now we're going to add the last piece, which is the handle. It does a little bit of angling. You don't want to angle it in. You actually want to angle it out is how it's set up to be. It gives you a little bit more space and leverage. Push those push pins in and make sure that they get locked in place. And then you're done.